Learning students, in the last video we have discussed land resources of India. Now we take our discussion further in this video. So we should learn about the land use pattern of a country due to following reason. That what are the reasons? Number one, to make use of the available land in the most suitable way, and number two, to know the status of cultivable land. These two important factor is very important for the land use pattern available in the country. Now, what is land use pattern? The proportion of the land put to different uses is known as the land use pattern. It is determined by the natural factor and the human needs and human activities. Land is normally used for the following reasons. These are the important reasons. Number one, forest. Number two, land which is barren. Number three, other uncultivable land, fallow lands and net zone area. Let's take it one by one. Forest. For forest, land is under forest there is a land. Number two, land is available but not for cultivation, like barren and wasteland. Area under non-agriculture uses such as building, road, factories and settlements. You cannot cultivate these lands. Number three, other uncultivable land like permanent pasture and grazing land. Area under tree crops and cultivable wasteland. Number four, fallow lands, which is left uncultivated for one agriculture year. It is known as fallow land. Number five is net zone area. It is the most important for the crop production. So the net zone area is part of the total land area which is actually cultivated in India. It is about 42.57% of the total land area. This is a very important figure in the case of India, that 42.57% of the total land area is cultivable land. Now we will see the land use pattern in India. So at present, data about land use is available for only 310 million hectares of the total 330 million, about 93% of the total land. So the use of land in our country is primarily controlled by what factors? Topography, climatic conditions, soil types, density of population, technical knowledge of the people, cultural tradition and conventions. So the main feature of the land use pattern in India is like this. Here you can see the map of India, in which you will find the cultivable land, forest, pasture, wasteland, major urban areas. This map is a physical map. Here you can see that under where the different types of land are cultivable, non-cultivable, wasteland, major urban area and forest categories is there. So I think we have discussed land use and land use pattern in India, and we have got the data, we have seen the map. So next video we will discuss land degradation. So for that time being, thank you students.